Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use time tracking and reporting in ClickUp. Alright, let's begin. First, you'll need to enable time tracking. This feature is only available to workspace owners or admins. Click on your avatar in the top left corner, go to the ClickUp section, and enable time tracking. Once enabled, you can set default settings like marking entries as billable or requiring each entry to be tied to a task. Now, let's look at how to track time. The easiest way is directly within a task. Just click the Track Time button under the task name. You can also track time from list, table, board, or Gantt views by adding the Time Tracked column and clicking the timer icon. If you want quicker access, pin the timer to the Quick Action toolbar. You can also log time from timesheets or add entries manually with details such as duration, date, and whether they're billable. Manual entries give you full control over tracking and reporting. So that's basically how you can use time tracking and reporting in ClickUp. That's it for this video. Thanks.